Our circulatory system performs the work of transpiration of the substance like water, hormones, oxygen, soluble nutrients and waste material through different organs. So in our human beings, it is containing heart, blood vessels, and capillary. All the higher organism has this type of circulatory system. So let us understand about the heart first. Now, human heart. Okay. Now, where is it situated? It is situated at the center of the thoracic cage, right behind the ribs between the two lungs, and actually it is slightly inclined on the left hand side, correct. Now see how it is actually look like, and when you people draw the heart, huh? Huh? Say, if you want to say, I love you, mama, I love you, friend. So, the way you draw the heart and this heart is quite different, isn't it? Huh? So, see, now being a science student, when you will draw the heart, it should look like this. Hmm? Let us know. Very important. When the heart stops working, we say the person is no more. The person died. So how is this heart, which is very important part of our body? What is its size? What is its weight? How is it? Let us understand. The weight of the heart is roughly, a healthy human being is roughly 360 grams. So if you weigh on a weighing scale, it will come roughly around 360 grams. Okay, and it is having double layer, children, covering. It has got a double layer covering, and in between these two membrane, no, one fluid is present, which protects the heart from the friction or any type of mechanical shock. इसकी साइज कितनी होगी? आपकी हाथ की एक मुट्ठी बंद करके रखोगे ना, उतनी. Okay, so it's a muscular organ which is having the involuntary cardiac muscles. So the contraction and the relaxation has some definite rhythm, and this contraction and relaxation we call it as a beating of the heart. We say na heartbeats. दौड़ के आते तो हार्ट बीट्स बढ़ जाते हैं, रात को जल्दी सोते तो कम हो जाते हैं. So what is that? That is the contraction and relaxation of the muscles, right? So there are actually basically it is having right and left compartment, and in that it is having the two more chambers. Okay, so exactly two up and two down. So four chambers are there altogether. Now let us understand one by one. See, here you can see that yellow colored marks points. Hmm? This is arteria. This is the, you can say that upper chamber. Huh? So they are arteria. The singular form, if you say, it is the arterium. One is called as arterium. Two together is arteria. And the lower part. Now let me show you the lower part. This is the blue color dot shows the lower chambers, and this is called as the ventricle. Okay, I'll repeat. The heart is a muscular organ. Remember, it is having the involuntary cardiac muscles. Involuntary means which doesn't work according to your wish. तुम बोलोगे अभी मैं रात को सो रहा हूँ, हार्ट बंद हो जा, धड़क धड़क करना नहीं हो सकता. If it will stop working, you will die. So it is having involuntary muscle. This is the meaning of the word involuntary. Now understanding the compartment parts, upper two parts which are denoted by this yellow color box. I will again show it. I am talking about this part. So this is the arteria. singular is arterium. So remember this two is arterium, and this lower two parts are the ventricles. Okay, so we have the four chambers, arteria and ventricles. Now we have the blood vessels also. So in short, the heart was explained to you. Now coming to the blood vessel, heart beats continuously, isn't it? So due to that, the blood continuously gets circulated through the blood vessel. Actually, there are two main types of blood vessels. You have the arteries which carries the blood from the heart is called as arteries. So here this part is artery, the red color part, artery which is carrying the blood away from the heart. ओके हार्ट के से पूरे बॉडी के अंदर ब्लड लेके जाती है दैट इज आर्टरीज एंड देन ओनली normally they carry the oxygenated blood. Only one is there, pulmonary artery, which contains the deoxygenated blood. Rest all are having the oxygenated blood into it. Okay, as they are having the fresh blood into it, the pure blood into it, they are located deep in the body. क्योंकि अगर कुछ हाथ पैर पे कट गया, हाँ, और ये ऊपर ऊपर तो उसमें कट लग गया तो कितना सारा ब्लड चला जाएगा, वो भी अच्छा वाला प्योर ब्लड. So this arteries are located deep in the body and their walls are also thick. Moreover, children, it doesn't have any valve also. So continuously flows goes on. Now coming to the veins part. So this I can show you the heart arteries. You can see the red color part. From heart it is carrying the blood to the entire body. Okay. And these are now blue color part is veins which is carrying the blood from the parts of body to the heart. So this is how it goes. So veins carry the blood towards the heart from the various parts of body. Only one is the pulmonary vein, which is the exceptional. Otherwise, they all contains the deoxygenated blood, means impure blood. Okay. This all the veins are superficially located. मतलब ऊपर की तरफ ये होगा. तो अगर गया भी ब्लड तो भी गंदा वाला ब्लड जाएगा बाहर पहले. And their walls are also thin. And they have the valves also. Hmm? So what did you see? That blood from the artery, it comes, it is, arteries are situated deep inside the body and it is not having any valve. और फिर उसमें से है ना छोटी 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 सब ब्लड वेसल बन जाती है. You can see in between that web type of thing, that is the capillaries, and in that capillaries children the exchange of gaseous thing takes place. Okay. So the human heart is like a muscular pump which circulates the blood throughout the body, right? Now the meaning of the word superficial is just below the skin. All these veins you can see that they are just below the skin. This is the meaning of the word superficial. Coming to the capillaries, arteries gradually branch out and it becomes less and less in the diameter and they get spread all over the body and finally form a fine hair-like blood vessels called as the capillary. Now this walls of the capillaries is very thin. Just one layer of cells are there. They don't have more tissues. Okay, as it is having very thin wall, the exchange of gas takes place. For example, देखो अपने घर पे मॉस्किटो नेट होती है तो मॉस्किटो नेट उसमें एयर आराम से जा सकता है आ सकता है. So in a similar manner, this capillaries is having the single wall, single celled wall, so exchange of gases can take place. Okay. So all the nutrients, hormones, vitamin, oxygen, they all are sent towards the cells and the waste material from the cells it moves to blood. So that all the things are done in the capillaries. Hmm? Finally, what happens is this all capillaries they unite and they form us again one vessel having little more bigger diameter which is called as the veins. So you can see here children from the arteries this part has which has divided into the all the small capillaries. Now this capillaries after doing the exchange okay, they are again uniting and then they form the vein. So artery gets divided into capillaries, capillaries gets combined to form veins. So this is how you can see the three parts works together. So after doing the exchange, the things which are important is absorbed and which is not absorbed is not necessarily not important is given back and it comes in the veins part. Okay, so now I can say you clearly that impure blood or deoxygenated blood is shown with the blue color. Actually हमारा blood blue color का नहीं हो जाता है हाँ. It is just to make you understand it is deoxygen उसमें से ऑक्सीजन यूज हो गया है उसमें सब कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड आ गया है to say that I have used this colors. Normally these are the colors. For pure blood we use red color and for impure blood we are using blue color. Okay. Now something you should know that one healthy person the heartbeat is 72 beats in 1 minute. धक 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 जो सुनाई पड़ती है ना that is 72. So it see roughly it is 72 but if you run if you do some physical exercise and all then it can increase also. Okay, and in fact when you just take rest and when you will sleep it decrease also. If the person is small child infant then उसका heart का beats ज़्यादा होता है heart beat ज़्यादा होता है that means the beating of heart takes place more number of time. Huh? So two types of sounds are heard during the heartbeat and one is described as lub and another is bub. So हमारा दिल है ना धक धक नहीं करता है लब बब लब डब लब डब लब डब ऐसे करता है. So now as you are now my student science student you are not going to say कि मेरा दिल धक धक कर रहा है हाँ? What you will say my heart is doing lap dub lap dub lap dub. These are the two sounds produced. Okay, and the heart pumps roughly around 75 लीटर ऑफ ब्लड ड्यूरिंग ईच बीट। जो एक बार तुम लोग का लब बब होता है ना, लब डब, उसमें 75 ml जितना ब्लड पंप हो जाता है वहां से। Now let us go ahead with the circulation, blood circulation through heart and the function of heart. So children, the pumping of the blood takes place, huh, through the heart, and the blood moves towards the various parts of the body, and then it is bring brought back to the heart. This complete thing is called as the circulation. I repeat, the process of pumping of blood towards the various parts of body and bringing back towards the heart is called as the blood circulation. So, to maintain the continuity in this process, the heart contracts and relax. Huh? Number of times. So, consecutive single contraction and relaxation of heart is called as one single heartbeat. Hmm? Okay, now you can have one small activity. You can just take a funnel at and take one rubber tube. You fit one funnel at the one end of the rubber tube, huh? And then that the mouth part of the funnel, just keep to the left side of thorax, where here, left side of the thorax, and then bring the other end of the rubber tube near to your ear and just see whether you are able to hear that sound of heartbeats or not, and just try to record the beats per minute using the stopwatch. So we'll understand कि हाँ यार मेरा भी 72 होता है या मेरा 60 होता है या मेरे 70 होता है, like that. आप लोग ने पल्स भी देखा होगा ना, आपके ब्रेस्ट पार्ट पे होता है, हाँ, सो ब्रेस्ट पार्ट पे भी पल्सिस होता है, सो इट इज द सेम थिंग, वो दग दग से यहाँ पे आता है तो वो यहाँ पे भी वही सुनाई पड़ता, तो कभी डॉक्टर ये हाथ में भी ब्रेस्ट पार्ट पे भी पकड़ के भी बोलते हैं. So this is all about the blood circulation, the heart and the blood vessel.